Alright, yeah, I can still record. Let's go.
Yeah, just redo that.
Okay, what's the name? Show us.
12, 14.
Class 14. Class 40. Class 40.
40.
40. Number 40.
I'm 40.
Yeah, what color is he?
Green.
And what?
No, you won 6. You won 6. Look at it.
Oh, yeah?
I told you.
You like that? Where did you get that from?
Toys R Us.
Oh, wow.
Invasion of flowers.
Jazz, you're so silly. You in the video too, Jazz.
I know that.
Hey.
Uh-huh.
Now we
Take them out. Take them out. Show everybody.
I can't.
Push them. Push. Yeah, like that. There you go. Push them out.
I can't. I can't.
Jazz, help Jordan push that out.
No.
Never.
Here, can you open this?
Next time
Daddy.
You can't get it out, Jordan?
Fine, I'll help you.
Help him.
Ow.
What happened? You're supposed to push it out. Push it from the other side. Push it from the back. You guys are so silly. Push it from the back. Yeah.
He's dead.
Give me your cup.
No, no, no. Don't do like that. All right, give it to me. Give it to me, Jazz.
Almost.
Jazz, give it to me. Give it to me.
No.
Give it to me.
Hey, kid.
Yeah, Daddy, open it for you. Why you cry for? All right, here go. Okay, give it back to Jordan.
Oh my God.
Okay.
You got
why
it?
do we not have a research?
Daddy, where's open the socket?
Yes. Hold on. You good?
Okay.
Are you finished, Jordan?
Yeah.
All right. Video is over.